Alright guys, so we made it into our Grab taxi. We are making our way to the bus Limousine. So we're looking forward to jumping on the bus with my friend here from New Zealand, Zack, and getting out of this concrete jungle.
Start the journey, start the journey, the trip.
Start the trip, bro.
Out of here, going up north.
Yeah, heading up north, so it may be a little bit cooler up north, but the weather for the next few days is pretty fine, so we're looking forward to enjoying some of the good weather vibes, although we still need to protect ourselves from the sun. The sun here can be quite hazardous for your skin, especially if you're quite fair skinned, but we are luckily a little bit more darker skin, which is cool.
Got a bit of melatonin on us.
Got a bit of the super melatonin on us, and looking forward to just getting up into the nature vibes and checking out Fansipan and that whole northern area. And I think now the rice fields are kind of ready to be harvested.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it'll be exciting. Depends if we get the greenery or...
Yeah, I think they'll be kind of yellow, so...
Fantastic.
Yeah, so we'll be able to get some really good drone shots. And the bro Zack here also has a YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel?
So my YouTube channel is called Unplanned Travel, Zack D'Angelo. The reason it's called Unplanned is because things are unplanned. We decided to go to Sapa literally like at
midnight
last night. We booked the limousine to go, and obviously they didn't show up. So again, like I said, everything's not planned, so everything is what? Unplanned.
Unplanned. I like that.
Unplanned travel.
It's like another word probably is organic. It's really just organically happening. Naturally happening. So I like those vibes, bro. I like those vibes.
For real.
Anyway, guys, we are gonna hit the road, and we'll catch you guys on the limousine bus. All right, guys, this is our bus.
Hello.
Okay, hello. Okay. Whoa, is this our seats? Alright guys, so let me show you what we've got here. We've got some water here, we've got headphones here, we've got the remote control controlling the TV. We have a TV screen. I have no idea what this is. And what's this? It's another water holder to hold another bottle of water. And here you've got controls to control your seat, so you can go up. Oh, I can feel it actually going up and down, or down like that. I don't know what this is for. Maybe it's for the aircon. You've got a seatbelt here if you need it. You've got a curtain here that looks out. You can push it up, and you've got like a little filter thing here for aircon, for more aircon to come out. You've got a light here. You also get a pillow, a blanket, a curtain. Check out the curtain. Nice little picture at the back as well. And you got a good view. So we are leaving this concrete jungle for a few days and heading on out to Sapa. Looking forward to it. Me and the bro Zack. Nice and comfy there, bro. Comfy. Nice and comfy over there.
My brother, nice and comfy out here.
Nice and comfy. Alright guys, we've stopped at a place for a pit stop. I think we're just going to grab a little snack and then head into the WC over here, which is the toilet. Anyway guys, I think it costs to get into the toilet. I don't know how much. 3,000 to go to the toilet. Okay. So we are about 3 more hours away from Sapa. And the weather's really beautiful. You can see outside the mountains just in the background there, which is quite nice. Anyway, our bus is waiting for us. Looks like it's only a quick pit stop, but whatever. It's a nice bus actually. Alright guys, so we've stopped at a COVID spot. I think we have to do some declarations and stuff. So pretty much here guys, all you do is you fill out a declaration form, just letting them know where you're going and like where you're from, and if you've been in contact with anyone that has the CV, which is pretty understandable. I filled out mine online. You can fill it out all online, and then you just use the barcode there and scan. So it saves you writing out all your name and all your details and stuff. It just takes like 5 seconds to like scan it using the Blue Zone app. Anyway guys, that's us. We are back on our way. Look at those mountains out there. Alright guys, we're in Sapa. Just getting a motorbike taxi to our accommodation. Had a bit of drama on the bus. My friend got his camera stolen out of his bag because he forgot his bag, or he left his bag when we went to do a COVID check. And he had his camera in there and it's gone. It was a G7X Mark II, unfortunately, which sucks. Anyway, the weather here is very warm, and we are about to go to our accommodation. It's about 22 degrees here, which is a whole lot different than the 36 degrees in Hanoi. So the accommodation is a homestay. We're going to be staying with a family, me and my friend Zack, and we're going to be checking out the vibes around Sapa and around this whole Lao Cai Province area. Alright guys, so we are about to walk to our homestay. We got dropped off by the motorbikes, but I don't think they can come down here any further. It's quite steep, and like it seems there's a bit of a dirt track here. Our homestay is at one of the locals' places, so we're going to be staying with some locals.
Yep, walking out right in the nature and the countryside, as you would say.
Vibes.
So we've come from Hanoi. I had a little bit of a mishap on the trip.
Yeah, man, tell us about your mishap.
Man, so
briefly.
I bought my camera, so I'm supposed to be vlogging right now. I can't, so I left it in my bag, and as we were coming up, there has been 2 COVID stops. So basically you stop at 2 stops along the way, and then you get tested, and you got to fill in your health declarations and information like that. So as soon as after I got that, dude, it's
hey doggy, it's just a mutt, don't worry, it's just a mutt.
After the second stop, as soon as we arrived in Sapa, I'm like, yo, I need to check out to see if my cameras and everything is in my bag. I look in my bag, and after 5 years of traveling,
It's gone.
Over 30 countries, it went missing.
Yeah, because we both went to get our to do our declarations and stuff like that at the COVID stop, and you left your bag there.
I left my bag there, so I don't really blame anyone else apart from myself. So here's a lesson: do never leave your belongings unattended. Always make sure that if you got your money or your passport or your phones, always have it on you, because things like this will happen. But anyway, that's life, guys.
So this is our homestay, looks like.
I just want to see the room, and so look, just want to see the room. That's good.
Hello. Xin chào. Hello. Hello. Hello, family.
Show you the room first.
Yeah, show the room first. Hello.
Please come here.
No problem.
warm here, cold. No fan.
No, they have fans, but it's going to be cold, they said.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
At night it's cold.
Okay, yeah. It's
Mountain view?
Yes.
Who sleeps here?
No one,
one.
but there's only one room left.
Oh, this one. I don't know if I should take this one or if I should take this one.
Actually, I want that one, man.
I want the
Hey,
Yeah, it's
rock,
windy.
paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, come on.
No. But the only thing is though, then it's very near to this side, right?
Right, this is the homestay view, guys. Look at that mountain. I don't know what's in that mountain. I think that's corn. That looks like corn. And here, we've got some fish. Koi. Little koi. This is the nature vibes here. So this is like one of the homestays of the locals. Pumpkin. I thought it was pumpkin. I think these are tomatoes here. This is the chill out area and the view. Look at those paddy fields out there, guys, on the hills, the terraces, and over here as well, the rice terraces here. And it looks like she's got some trees down here. Maybe they're fruit trees. I want to see some snakes. I wonder if there's any snakes around here. Alright guys, we are here for a bit of a quick snack. We've got fried rice, egg. The bro Zack has got
Chicken fried rice.
chicken fried. Is it nice?
These are delicious. Chicken fried rice is nice and tasty and a pretty nice portion as well.
And he's got chili, a bit of chili with it as well.
Goes, extra spice up here.
And got a bit of soy as well. And the soy sauce, the chili sauce. And it's just a little snack. And it's quite cheap. It's about a couple of bucks for a meal here, which is quite good. But the family aren't hungry. Just say we're hungry because we haven't had lunch yet. So this is our lunch, even though it's kind of like 3 in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Anyway, time to eat. All right, guys, we are in Sapa town. We just hired some motorbikes. We're just going to fill them up and then go for a bit of a ride around. Check out the vibes. We actually want to try and catch some sunset vibes. All right, guys, we've stopped here at some sort of park area in the middle of Sapa. You can see people playing volleyball over there, people walking around, some guys playing football, and lots of kites. Check out all these kites up here, guys. It's a really nice, cool wind. And then look at that temple over there. That's a nice looking temple there. Actually looks quite Chinese. Hey, bro, it's Chinese. That temple looks quite Chinese.
Yeah, the Chinese influences,
The Chinese, yeah, the design is Chinese influence because the Chinese border is nearby. Hey, what is it?
Nanning, you got Nanning on one side, you got Kunming on the other side, and yeah, if you look at the northern part,
and then the mountain range is right behind us, guys. It's a beautiful scene here. So yeah, we're just gonna have a little look around. We've got a couple of motorbikes just over here. That's my one, that's the bros one. So they're both Honda Wave RS6 motorbikes. They're actually pretty gutless, these ones. They're not as like strong as mine, but hey, it's sufficient and it's okay.
Today.
Anyway, we are gonna go and check out some more vibes around Sapa and then come back later on and have some dinner with the family we're staying with. Check out this lake, guys. Nice lake in the middle of Sapa here. Mountain backdrop. Looks actually quite nice. A lot of people walking around the lake here. I wonder if there's any fish in this lake. Not actually sure. Alright guys, we stopped here at this monument on our way up this hill here, which is out of town, out of the main town of Sapa, and it's just the Sunworld cable car. I'm not sure if it's one of the first cable cars here. But I think this might be the way down to Fansipan. I think Fansipan's around here somewhere. Pretty sure it's around here somewhere. It looks quite huge, this mountain range. It is quite cold here actually. Up here it's around probably 16 degrees, 15 degrees. Down back in the valley it's about 25. In Hanoi it's around 36. So today we had varying temperatures. So lucky I bought my jacket. And yeah, checking out this area. Guys, we're kind of in the heart of Sapa here. And we're at, I think, Sun World cable car station, which is right here, this massive thing. We're going to look at coming here tomorrow to catch the cable car up to Fansipan Mountain. Be cool to see the city from the cable car. You can see all the Vietnamese down here playing football, leveling up their football skills. If you didn't know, they lost to UAE by 1 point. I think it was 3-2. But football is one of the favored sports here in Vietnam, as well as volleyball over here. They're really favored sports here. But you can see a little bit of the European influence. That massive building there looks kind of Italian. And then over here you've got like, I think it looks like a Catholic church, or maybe even Anglican church. So Sapa's got, or could be even French. They could actually be French because, you know, they were colonized by France. So I think this whole area has got a little touch of European vibe to it. But I'm going to be happy to see it tomorrow when there's not many clouds, and we're going to jump on that cable car and check it out. Anyway, we're just motorbiking around the city and just checking out the vibes. Alright guys, we are here having dinner with the family, the friends. Look at this beautiful dinner that they've cooked here. Fish, mushroom, vegetables, soup, rice. And they've got a hot pot going. The hot pot's going there.
But with pork, so you cannot.
With pork. Okay, no problem. We can have here. Yeah, we can share together. Everyone can share together.
You want to try?
No, I can't eat pork.
It's delicious, guys. Alright, I'm about to get into some dinner. We're going to leave it at that. Tomorrow we are going to check out Fansipan, the highest mountain here in Vietnam. Looking forward to it. Got a couple of friends coming with us.
You play with the music.
And looking forward to it, guys. We'll see you guys on the next video. Give this one a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Experience the journey. Inspire others. Live life, guys. Peace.